it's Ashley Yvette. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. We are still trying to get those subscribers up. So today I am actually doing something different. I'm going to be unboxing my MacBook Air model 2015 that I bought from Gazelle.com. So the reason why I bought a used MacBook and not a new one is because your girl got bills. You know, my coins go to actual things. I work a 9-to-5 job. I do pretty well for myself, but I have a lot of expenses as far as, you know, where I live. I live in a kind of expensive place because, you know, I like luxury or whatever. And I just moved a few months ago, so I'm getting used to paying bills by myself, as well as I have things coming up. So I just have different expenses that have come my way that made me come to the decision that I needed to buy a used MacBook, and maybe in a year or two I will go ahead and upgrade to the newest version that's out at that time. So I did choose to buy from Gazelle.com. This video is not sponsored or anything. I just wanted to share my experience because I was actually looking on YouTube to see if I can find some videos that could help me out while I'm trying to choose which MacBook to get, as well as which sites to use, because there are a lot of different sites for used and refurbished MacBooks. And I couldn't find any videos, so I thought, let me just go ahead and make a video about this. So again, it's not sponsored by Gazelle, just wanted to share my thoughts and my experience. Gazelle sells certified used and refurbished MacBooks, iPhones, iPads, tablets, and Android phones. So you can actually sell your device to Gazelle. They'll give you some money and you can buy from Gazelle as well. They also take Affirm, which will allow you to pay monthly. And I love using that company because it helps to build with your credit, as well as, you know, gives you some time to pay off things, especially if you're making big purchases. So my MacBook Air was actually, I believe, $750, $730, something like that. And with taxes, and I got 2-day shipping, it came out to be, I think, $814. So, you know, not too bad. But again, this is a 2015 MacBook Air. I did get 4 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes for storage. So I did actually want the 8 gigabytes, but they sold out of that one. Depending on how I feel, I may just take this one back and end up getting the 8 gigabytes because I do have 90 days to try it out to see if I like it, and then I can send it back, which was another reason I decided to go ahead and buy from this site. If you buy from Best Buy, I believe they only give you 14 days, and then you can return something, and then you have to pay a 15-cent restocking fee, which is not always cool. Because if you buy a MacBook that's over $1,000 and you don't like it and you return it, a 15% restocking fee is over $100, and that's just kind of ridiculous to me. So I just wanted something that I could edit my videos on. I'm just starting YouTube. I don't think right now I am in the position to make a big investment like that. Plus, I just got a parking ticket that costs a few $100, so that really is what made me make the decision, like, okay, I need to save a few hundred off of this. Let me just get a used one. And like I said, in a year or two, if I want the new one and I'm at the point where I can go ahead and buy it, which, you know, I'm sure that won't be a problem at that time, then I'll do it. It's just that right now I have too much going on, guys, okay? Too much. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I have my scissors, I have this knife, which is really large, but it's the only one that I could grab really quickly so that I can open the box. So guys, it comes in this, you know, big box, standard. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh. Times like this, you need a box cutter. Okay. This is a struggle. They have it well protected. I'm trying not to be rough with it, but I'm just like, just come out already. So the first thing I pulled out was this adapter or power cord. It doesn't look like it's an official Mac one, so I will be purchasing one, but it's always good to have a backup just in case the Mac one goes out, because we know Apple products, sometimes with the chargers and the headphones, they don't be lasting that long, so this is good to have. It had, you know, wrapped up really nicely, so I'm happy about that. It's a lot of foam, and that's really good. And it also had a fragile sign on the outside of the box, which I appreciate. Okay, there we go. I appreciate that because it lets the handlers know that they don't need to just be throwing this box around, because we all know that happens. I swear, just about every time I get my Ipsy in the mail, something is like bent up, out of shape, and I think that's just because, you know, UPS workers, FedEx workers, they just be throwing stuff. So the fact that it had a fragile sign, very good. All right guys, so here's wrapped in this, and here is actually power cord, and this is official Apple. It is an official apple. You can see the apple. Right. Okay. I like that. I see you, Gazelle. This is my first official MacBook, so I'm really, really excited. That's like my favorite thing to say. I'm really, really excited. To really let you know it's real. So here's my order information. Just letting me know. It kind of gives you more information about the hard drive. Aha! Guess what, guys? So I thought I got the 4 gigabytes for the memory, the RAM. They actually gave me 8 gigs. Okay. Processor speed 2.2, which is really good. How I know this is not because I'm smart and I know about computers, but because my boyfriend is, and yeah, he told me everything. And it's a 500 gigabyte capacity, and I thought I was only getting the 128. So they actually hooked me up. Okay. I'm so happy right now. I'm really happy. Oh man, that just made my day. Today has been a really good day. God is blessing me. So they have this over the keyboard, and here we go. Got my ring light. Okay, Macbook Air. Side of the front, back. Yes, I don't even know if I'm doing this right, but just trying to show you guys. So yeah, I mean, everything looks pretty good so far. Like I said, this, oh, I hit the power button. And yeah, it's turning on. Yes, it works. It looks brand freaking new. I don't see a scratch. I don't see a crack. I don't see a scuff. Barely anything here. Literally, this looks brand spanking new. So yeah, so now I have to figure out how to use this. Never had a Mac before, don't know how to use it. I'm just hoping that it runs good with the internet, and that my iMovie, and if I end up getting Adobe or Final Cut Pro, that it works great so I can get these videos out to you guys. And yeah, and I needed a new computer anyways. Everything looks good so far. Like I said, I do have 90 days to try it out. If I do not like it, I can return it. So I just wanted to show you guys my refurbished certified MacBook from Gazelle. I've never done a video like this, so I hope that I did everything right. I'm not too keen on specifics. I told you guys that it has 8
macOS
gigabytes.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. Turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
Okay, so I'm gonna do that after we're done. Pretty happy with my purchase so far. I haven't really tried it out yet. As I continue to use it and see how it works and how fast it is, especially when I'm surfing the web, then that will be the real test. I'm just excited that I thought I was getting the 4 gigabyte RAM and the 128 hard drive capacity, and I actually got the 8 gigabyte and the 500 gigabyte hard drive capacity. I'm a happy girl right now. If you're looking into getting a MacBook and maybe you don't have the money to go ahead and spend $1,300, $1,400, $1,500, or maybe you want to stay under $1,000, a website like Gazelle or Macs for You, or I think it's Genius Scan. I looked at a lot of different websites where you can buy refurbished Macs. The Apple website also has certified refurbished MacBooks that you can buy as well, and some of them are a little cheap too, but I just wanted to get something that was extremely cheap but not too old. I didn't want to get anything older than a 2015, so I feel good about that. I feel like it's up to date. It'll be able to run smoothly, and I shouldn't have any problems with it. Guys, I hope you really liked this video. Like I said, I've never done this type of unboxing before. I'm not all tech savvy. I'm just giving you the information that I have. So if you're like me, you don't really know anything about hard drives and gigabytes, and when you go to Best Buy and they tell you stuff, you're just like, okay, but you really don't know what they're saying. Hopefully this can be helpful for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, suggestions, or anything that you can offer to me, if you do know a little bit more about MacBooks and can offer some advice, I really would appreciate it. This is my first go around with the MacBook, so you know, I'm a newbie to this. Please like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, guys, stay fly.